Hi, my name is Ryan and I work in support here at Relic. Today I'll be walking you through how to change the password on your Relic account. So to begin with, let's head to the user preferences page and we'll hit the change password button. We'll then enter the current password and we'll then enter the new password and then confirm that, so we'll type it in twice. In fact, I made a mistake here when I was typing this in, so I need to just edit the first edition of my new password so that it matches the second. We'll be kicked back to the login page where we can test that new password. And we're logged in. Now, if you don't know your current password and you're stuck on the login page, then there is a forgot password button. Enter your email address there, click You're Not a Robot, and then get a reset link. That'll allow you to change your password without knowing your current password.